This is a test of my rear driver's side wheel cylinder. Now I've got manual brakes. I'm going to hit the pedal in 3, 2, 1. That's all the way to the floor. Okay, the pedal's up. Now I am going to watch the video, see what I can see. So before I start, I'm just going to take a good look at this with the video. Because I'm only doing one side at a time, but I don't want to go back and forth and look. So the wheel adjustment goes towards the back. The adjuster is right here on the back side. The blue spring, the front spring is over the back spring. It's no wonder my brakes were making noise, and I don't know, I've never had good brakes on this car ever because I've just never liked to do brakes. So here we are doing something we don't like to do. So what we're looking at is the top bracket that helps keep the wheel cylinder in place. Now this thing it's a 60-something-year-old part and is very badly degraded. Now if I go out and buy a new one, it's not going to be an American-made part. It's going to be something from another country. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to rebuild this hole by welding in like a washer in this circumference. The backing plate is a mess. We looked at that earlier. So I found just the piece of metal to fill this hole. And I've actually learned that if you pound on a spring washer enough, you can take the spring right out of it. It's kind of like a blacksmith. So I'm going to flatten this a little more. I'm going to prep the hole. We're going to weld in this washer and hammer this down and fix the crack, and we're going to bridge this and all this, and we're going to make it whole again. It's going to be fun. There it is. This job has actually become fun now that I get to do some fabricating, and it's not just a brake job. My next trick, decided I'm just going to do the little tracing on this washer. I hope. It looks like there's enough room in the back. Things are going to get a little oily back here. Okay. Now this isn't the right circumference quite, because who's got a washer that's the inside hole is that big? But I can make it and get it close, and then I could grind it a little bit to fit. Let's just see what we can do here. This is my bolt hole. So I'm going to need everything in black that I draw. And I won't need the stuff that's not in black. It's going to be a small piece. And now I can get this brake job done. Nobody knows but us.